one that they brought back, Sister Phillips.
That's the one they brought back?
Yeah, it half lit, and so they brought it back and we gave them another one.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
I know, but is it worth over $100?
Yeah.
Ain't none of these fireworks worth any kind of money. You know that.
Yeah, I know. Well, the thing is, if it was just double that, that's over $100.
Yeah. That's like money we could spend somewhere else.
Yeah. 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 People paid over $100 for that one.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
People do spend quite a bit of money.
Oh, they do. Oh, yeah. Yeah. And now that we take credit card to do it, they spend a whole lot more. Yeah,
did you get one of the machines, if you don't mind me asking? Did you go one of the machines, or did you put the one thing?
No, we took the one phone.
We just bought one of those.
Yes, it works real well. Brother Dennis uses it for his business, and then we use it. Sister Shelley uses it for the church. And we use it for the ladies' ministries in Oklahoma. It's the square. Whoa, look at that, Jonathan.
That was a big one.
Woo! I like that one. Oh my! What was that one?